SuperDrive in control, navigating heavy rain on Swedish highways. Low visibility and road spray can challenge even the best drivers. SuperDrive uses sensor fusion to see clearly through the mist, maintaining 360-degree awareness. The system initiates a lane change, but sensors detect another vehicle about to cut across the truck's path. Instead of forcing the merge, SuperDrive waits and creates space to let the vehicle enter safely. Once the lane is clear, SuperDrive is ready to proceed. Rain or shine, SuperDrive is always patient, precise, and in control.